Morning. Morning, guys. How you guys doing? Yeah, man, welcome to another day. Welcome to another live out here, guys. Yeah, September morning. Back to school morning. Now the thing come down. September morning. Back to school morning, guys. Alright. Sorry for them parents there. With them youth that go to school for the first time. Them parents with them child that go to school for the first time. Wicked morning for hey, balling morning, co-balling morning for the child there. Yeah. But anyways, we're there. So this is what I call it today at the official September morning in terms of what we call September morning, which is back to school morning. Last week was supposed to be the official back to school September morning. But they put it up until today. So today the official back to school morning. Anyways, we're up on the road, guys. We're in a whole Arbor this morning. We are travel the road. We're taking you guys along with us. Now we're on our way to Manchester. Yeah, man, we're on our way to cool Manchester. So we're taking you guys along with us. Taking you guys along with us. So we're out here, guys. Welcome to another live. So as me I say now, back to school morning. Back to school morning. No, a rough morning for the new time. The first time students them. After the one that just got basic school for the first time. Rough on them one, rough on the parents them too as well. Rough on the parents and rough on the penny them. Yeah, man, it can be rough on both parents and children, you know. So anyways, guys, we are in a whole town. We're there in a whole Arbor town. Big up yourself. Welcome to another one. Welcome to another banger, man. So, I'm gonna explain something same time, guys. Explain something same time to my subscribers. Alright, so we do some reshifting and some re-altering and some changes and them type of thing there when you come on to the channel. So what we did is to basically separate our vlogging content from our entertainment content. So you know, back in the days, if you know, it's a Jamaican Ting TV. It's a Jamaican Ting TV. Normally we do a little vlog. normally we do a little, well, we do a little vlog and we do entertainment content. So what we do is that we basically created another channel, which is this channel here. So we are planning to do our lives here like this and vlogs here, and then our entertainment content will be done on It's a Jamaican Ting TV. So yeah guys, we're in a old Arbor. Hey, the sun not going out with itself. Just forget something up here, so guys, not to go back for it. So what happens is that we're separating the channels. We're separating the channels in terms of content that we post on the channel. So It's a Jamaican Ting TV. It's a Jamaican Ting TV will be strictly entertainment. Strictly entertainment. And then Jamaican Tings with Dually is our vlogs and travel lives. Alright, so right now we're right now we're in a old Arbor, guys. Right now we're in a old Arbor. Jaja, this is the place I don't want me. What is this? This not up yet, man. What I go on and so? Crazy cat lady, big up yourself. Welcome. Welcome to the channel. Yeah man, so we're in Jamaica and we're showcasing what's going on the roads here in Jamaica. This morning is a back to school morning. Yeah man, this morning is a back to school morning. So big up and thanks to everybody on the live right now. One day before wait till I finish home. It's a back to school morning, guys. It's a back to school morning here in Jamaica. You them come out. You them come out. So it was supposed to be last week. Last week was supposed to be the official back to school morning. But because of the elections, yeah man, because of the elections, back to school put off until this week. Now the thing about the back to school thing now and the election, they wanted to open school last week and then at the election in between. But that couldn't work. That couldn't work at all. So them, think about it and change that. The school starts today, but normally be orientation. Yeah man, the first week of school normally be orientation. So this week I'm most at orientation about going, so like so for example, primary school, tomorrow the grade 2 them off. So each grade of orientation 1 day out of the week, and then next week now the thing kick off the right way. You understand? So full school in effect next week. School are going in effect fully next week. I wonder still when I go in the country area them yet first of all go on and come on to the school bus system, but them say them have school bus system into place as of today. Alright, big up yourself, Lady Janice. Big up yourself. Yeah man, we're in a whole hour today. They're in a whole hour today, man. So them say they're gonna have the rural bus system and roll out today. May I go Manchester today, so hopefully we're gonna get to see if them actually have the bus them start operate in the rural area. Otherwise, I probably have to just tune in to the internet or to the news to find out if them actually start. But yeah, today them did say them gonna start, so we don't know. Let's see. Say them gonna start today. So let's see, guys. Let's see how it goes. Hope it work out, though, you know. Really hope it work out. God, youth them actually need the school thing if you're going. Especially them here, rural area them. Rural people in a rural area, not just kids but people in the rural areas normally feel it the most when they come on lack of certain resources. So I really want it to start, you know? So I really want the bus system to start up for the youths them in the rural area, because you know I come from the country already. Well, if you guys don't know, yes, I am from the country. Country I come from. Upper country I come from. So I want to see the best for the country people, you know? I want to see the best for the country people. welcome everybody. Welcome if you're just joining us. If you're just joining us, welcome to another live. Yeah man, so basically showing what's going on here in hey, look one picnic. Good side. How I go on this morning? They picnic them string out. Well, I see a JUTC bus a pull up behind me still. Just see one JUTC bus a pull up behind me. But the amount of hit now, I see string out on the road you know. Oh my gosh. The amount of hit now string out on the road. I hope the JUTC bus they carry them. But that JUTC bus there carry them. Well, I guess it might hold up at Spanish too, yeah? It's a turn, it's a turn. That's one of them that can just carry so much though. That can only carry so much. So morning guys, morning. Welcome. Now guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You don't know, give us your support by simply subscribing. Yeah man, so we basically, as I explained to you guys, so we now have two channels. We're just separating our vlogging and live travel from our entertainment content. So it's a Jamaican Ting TV carries solely entertainment now, and Jamaican Ting with Dually we do vlogs and our travel lives. Showcasing everything Jamaican over here. Everything Jamaican, so you don't know, we showcase our beaches or rivers or food or culture or what. You don't know the road, the town. So if you want to know Jamaica, this is the channel to stick with. Yeah? If you want to know Jamaica, this is the channel to stick with. So welcome if you're here for the first time. If you're here for the first time, welcome. If you're a subscriber from the other channel, you know we do it already. Yeah man. Taking Jamaica to you guys in full effect, you know. So we gotta touch the road guys, we're heading to Manchester today. So you guys get to see the full journey with me to Manchester. Full journey with me to Manchester. Now, two things you have to bear in mind now guys. Two things you have to bear in mind. We're up on the road guys, we're up on the road, so you know, so we're up on the road. The internet quality might drop at times. Yeah? And the next thing is that we're driving and the device that we're live from, vibration from the bad road and thing might cause a little video, they call it now, issue. I don't want to see the video clear. I don't want to see the live clear, but vibration of the road and thing are going to make the quality kind of a bit shaky. So what I want you guys to do, if you want to know somewhere, if you don't remember the place, the name of the place or whatever, along the way I might tell you the name of the place and so forth. If you want to ask, you can ask if you don't remember what So heading toward Borders now. Just pass through all over town, heading towards Borders. Yeah. So you can ask. I want to know, jump in the comment section, guys. Yeah, man, jump in the comment section. Let's get to know each other. Let's chit chat. Let's meet and greet. Yeah, man, don't be afraid. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yeah, man, some of the Borders, St. Catherine. September morning in Jamaica. Heading towards Freetown. Heading through Borders towards Freetown. I don't know the Freetown at the border of Clarendon and St. Catherine. Freetown is the border of Clarendon and St. Catherine. Alright guys, so I basically I give you guys a part of the whole road this morning. Normally would I drive one day. Normally would I drive on the toll. Yeah, normally would I drive on the tour, but it's a pretty easy day for me today, so you don't know, me have some time if I can drive on the whole road and show the walk on. Yeah man, so me I drive on the whole road today and show the walk on, you know? Normally would I drive on the tour. Doing this for you guys this morning. Doing this for you guys this morning. So we're passing feed mill. That's Arbor feed mill. Yeah, we just drive past Arbor feed mill. APP. Yeah man, them no man. Driving in Jamaica is no joke. Driving a yard is no joke, bro. Yeah man, so this is Freetown. once we go across the bridge, in a turn down there. Yeah, man, so we are doing one piece of the whole road, and then when we reach Maypen, we do a piece of the tour. Rosemary. Yeah guys, so Rosemary is one of my moderators. And from time to time, yeah, we are going to actually choose people for the moderator on the channel. And that is based on the code, you know? That is based on the code, that is based on the loyalty. See that? School morning, youths them a goat. That is based on loyalty to the channel. So every now and again, yeah, we'll appoint somebody as moderator. But as I said, that is based on loyalty to the channel. So from one day on, loyal to the channel certainly. And we acknowledge that. Definitely guys, you will be a part of the family. Will be a part of the family. One thing on them road they're doing, guys, not tell a lie. That's why I'm choosing to travel on the toll road most of the time. Can't take the rocky road. The road now have a lot of potholes in it, guys. That's what them road here now. Them now have a lot of potholes. Yeah, them now have a lot of potholes, but the thing about it is that Rasta Corner. Yeah man, them call out here as a Rasta Corner. Like official, that's the official name. Them call out here as a Rasta Corner. So the road have a lot of potholes as I was saying before. But it's just that when them fix the road them, from back in the days when them fix the road them fix the road them uneven. You understand? Them fix the road uneven. So the road a bit bumpy. So big up the whole of the US. Everybody watching from out of the US. Big up everybody watching from out of the US. So as I was saying, yeah, so the road now have a lot of pothole. Yeah? First of all, them fix enough of them because the election did come up the other day. Yeah, they fixed a whole heap of them because the election did come up the other day. But from way back in the days, them used to fix the road and them used to fix the road uneven. So that caused a lot of bump. You don't know in the road. Big up the whole of the UK as well. Big up the whole of the UK. You see me? England. Big up the whole of the UK watching as well. We know Africans they are watch as well because the African them love the channel. Yeah man, the African them love the channel. So all of the Afghan them there I watch as well. From time to time I see a lot of Asians, Japanese, Chinese, Filipinos watching the channel as well. Some people from Brazil watch as well, you know. Yeah man, big up the Caribbean people, them. All of the islanders, them. Big up all of the islanders, them, on the channel. Now guys, as I said before, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet a part of the family. Oh my god. I see a quarter Japanese, quarter Indian, and half Jamaican. Oh boy. That you call out of many one people. That is what you call out of many one people. Hold on, give me a second guys, give me a second. Just starting on something here. Before we move off, I'm going to want to do certain things when I'm mobile. So just give me a second. And thank you. Yeah man, but with the inner I'm calling now Arbor Pen. Auntie what Miss Murphy, big up yourself. Luke, big up yourself. Well, that is not actually, you know. So it seems like them did do some, well, all the petroleum man, them did do some pipe work. And if you don't know Jamaica, when NWC dig up the place for the pipe work, them don't normally fix it back. So them two sections there too hold up NWC left. And them two hold out to hold up NWC left, you know? Alright, so we are touch about the road again. We are touch about the road again. So with the Arbor Pen guys, Arbor Pen is basically a town in between Maypen and Old Arbor, so them call it Arbor Pen. Yeah man. So we're heading towards who can tell where we're heading towards now? Or Pennial, yeah. Pennial, hey, a good thing on there. Pennial, right? I always mix it up and turn it around, you know. I don't know why I always do that. I always mix it up and turn it around. Pennial with it. And yeah, which area we're heading towards now? heading towards now? Who can tell me? Alright guys, so we're eating a Sandy Bay right now. We're now in Sandy Bay. Yeah man, we're now in Sandy Bay. So big up. Big up every Jamaican watching from outside of Jamaica right now. Oh, see, I'm family in a farmer's grass. I'm basically your place to the dead man. Alright, so yeah man, Farmer's Cross is actually in front of us. So we're heading towards Farmer's Cross. We're not gonna drive through Farmer's Cross. Yeah, but we're heading towards Farmer's Cross. We're gonna drive on the bypass, which is actually Savannah Cross. So Savannah Cross is on one side and Farmer's Cross on the other side. So basically I drive through both of them community there. So Savannah Cross up on the left, Farmer's Cross up on the right. And it's a nice and sunny day, nice and sunny morning, September morning, you know? Dean, big up yourself, welcome to the live. Nice and sunny morning this morning, man. Welcome guys to the live. Just past through Sandy Bay, heading towards Cross. Matter of fact, 19 miles. Because I reach 19 miles before I reach Cross. Big up on yourself, everybody watching from out of Scotland. Yeah man, so it's actually morning here in Jamaica. Good afternoon in Scotland. So I guess it's afternoon in Scotland right now. Big up all the Scottish Jamaican, them, you know? Big up on yourself. We're there. Now guys, what I want you guys to do, if you're here for the first time, we are basically new, young, fresh channel. We're not new to YouTube, but this channel is new, young and fresh. It's a branch off from It's a Jamaican Ting TV. Yeah? So, if you're just joining us, so let me explain it to you again guys. So, this is a branch off from It's a Jamaican Ting TV. So we're focusing on doing strictly travel lives and our Jamaican Ting vlogs on this channel. So all of the Jamaican thing them would have shown from way back on the other channel, yeah, we're taking them here. So the other channel is just for entertainment and this one is with everything else Jamaican. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you guys subscribe and share the channel with others, please. So we're the Farmer's Cross now guys. subscribe and share the channel with others, alright? So if you don't want to know Jamaica, if Jamaica is on you guys' mind, in your guys' heart, if you guys love Jamaica, want to know what going on in Jamaica, you don't know, want to learn about Jamaica, now this is the place to be. We showcase everything Jamaican here. Our food, our culture, our music. You don't know. So if you want to move over beaches, them, or river them. So this is Cross, guys. So Savannah Cross is on the left. So Savannah Cross is on the left. Farmers Cross is on the right. And there was, you know, them never have a stoplight here. So really recently now them put a stoplight out here. Couple people lose them life out here, so especially children. A couple people lose them life out here, so. So them decide to put a stoplight right here. So as I said before, if you don't want to learn about Jamaica, man, if you don't want to know about beaches, them river, them fast food joints, you don't know all of them things there. All of the little hot food joint, them, you know, you want to just learn Jamaica on a whole, man, fully. This is the channel. This is the channel if you don't want to learn Jamaica. Fully Jamaica, isn't it? This is the passport to a Jamaican. What you say? This is a Jamaican passport, right? So on a daily like this, we'll do our travel live, or we travel. Because guess what now? These are man we go every nook and cranny in Jamaica, you know, guys. I must say every nook and cranny. If you guys become a part of the family, become a subscriber, then you guys will see. We go every nook and cranny of Jamaica. So all of the places they want to think you know. Yeah. You guys will get to see them again. All of the places they want to don't know. Yeah. You guys will get to see them as well. Every nook and cranny of Jamaica will take you guys to. So if there's any significant happenings in Jamaica, you guys will definitely get to know about it, hear about it. So what we do, guys, we try to keep it positive over here. Yeah, we try to keep it positive over here. So we might not give you guys the negative news. I don't know everywhere, but the good and the bad. And from time to time, some of the negative thing come up. But we're not going to focus on the negative part, isn't it? No. We're not going to focus on the negative part. But if there's a significant happening here in Jamaica that we think you guys should know about, then we're going to let you guys know about it. Otherwise, most things we're going to remain positive, you see me? We're going to remain positive. Jaja. Traffic, if you know guys, don't believe this? This is a traffic you carry all the way back to the roundabout. Jaja, Monday morning traffic. Wow. September morning traffic. September morning traffic. Oh, now guys, double tap the screen. Now we have a whole lot of persons here watching the live. Come on guys, we have a whole lot of persons here watching the live. We have a whole lot of persons actually. Undertaking. They must say I'm a bad boy driver. Wanna overtake, wanna undertake. Yeah, man, you have them bad boy driver there with them on. So now guys, we have a whole lot of persons here watching the live. Come on, double tap the screen. Double tap, a quick double tap on the screen and give us a like. Please and thanks guys. A quick double tap on the screen and give us a like. A quick double tap on the screen and give us a support guys. Yeah man, so we're heading towards, well, we're basically in Mineralites right now. Mineralites, Clarendon. Heading into the roundabout. So, yeah, a little traffic. Now I'm left me up on the toll. But I can't our business. Yeah man, first day of school today man. First day of school today. So you know it come down. Alright guys, so that's It's a Jamaican Ting TV, that's the other channel guys. That's the other channel right there. It's a Jamaican Ting TV. So you guys can support that channel as well. Let me kind of pin that channel for a while. Alright, I can't do it right now, but I guess Moderator can pin the channel for a little while. It's a Jamaican Ting TV. Yeah man, that's the other channel there. So that on that channel guys, we are doing strictly entertainment on that channel. Yeah man, so all of the big show them, all of the small show them, all of the events them, you don't know them, the showground, CB, Pan Chicken Festival, you don't know, fireworks on the waterfront, some fest, Rebel Salute, you don't know, all of the events them, major and not so major events, performances and stuff is going to be on that. It's a Jamaican Ting TV. Now on this channel, Jamaican Things with Dually, we showcase Jamaican vlogs. Our police will have one of them. So next one, get to it. Next one with the undertake, get to it. Oh my god. Police out there work. Next one with the undertake, get to it. I'm lucky so. Great, I am lucky, but it's a shame. I'm lucky man. So yeah guys, thanks for the support. I realize a lot of persons are subscribed. I realize that a lot of persons are subscribed. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the support. Thanks for becoming a part of the family. Realize a lot of persons double tap recently. From I said double tap, I realize a lot of persons did it. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the support guys. Traffic you know, nah play. Traffic can play, and the traffic not only come from this side, you know, guys. Yeah man, the traffic not only come from that side here, the traffic come from all four sides. Traffic come from Lionel Town side, traffic come from Outer Maypen, traffic come from the other direction, from the bypass. Wow. Traffic morning this morning. Austin, big up yourself. Big up all of Nigeria watching. Big up all of Africa watching. Wayne, big up yourself. So we are talking about telling you guys, Australia watch the live, Africa watch the live them. Yeah man, big up the whole of New York watching the live right now. Big up the whole of New York watching live right now. Big up the whole of US watching the live. Johnny be good. Big up yourself, Johnny. I'm slow that down because I don't want to take it wrong, you know. Johnny be good tonight. Yeah, that is the that's how I actually say. Alright? So I don't want to take it wrong. So we know we Jamaicans stay, you know. Johnny be good tonight. Yeah, big up yourself, Johnny. Big up yourself, win. King, big up yourself out of Hollywood. Yeah, man. Sam, big up yourself. Race, aka, big up yourself. Yeah, man, let's big up everybody when up on the live right now. Big up every single soul upon the live right now. Appreciate you guys. Really appreciate you guys. So it's a bright and beautiful Monday morning, September morning, official back to school morning. And traffic out here like, whoa. Like, whoa. Yeah man, but we'll do what I do it, you know? Heading to Manchester today, guys. Or some people that say Mandeville. Hey, I was set of people. Everyone them turn up in a Mandeville, them call it man. I mean, then from them turn up in a Manchester, them call it Mandeville, you know? So Mandeville is actually a town in Manchester, so yeah, we are head up into Manchester today. We're in on the north side of Manchester. So we're head up in a Christiana side. I escorting friend, you know. Escorting friend going out of town, you know. So we are talking about, guys, traffic right through. Hey, and this is one of the most beautiful roundabout in Jamaica. One of the most beautiful roundabout in Jamaica. But you can it's kind of dry right now. And this if you come to a long time, and just give people ticket. Them focus on one set of things most of the time, you know. I'm not saying you don't forget ticket, but this is more important to get the traffic off. Right now, traffic, to get the traffic off is more important right now. Yes, so big up everybody. Welcome to the live, welcome to Jamaica. We're in a mineralized right now. We're up on the roundup, we're up on the bypass now, guys. Bustamante Highway, so them call it. On the bypass, so basically bypassing Maypen. So Maypen is, if we take the third exit to the car, go in a Maypen. Now we're up on the Bustamante Highway. Or some people that say the bypass. So this is the bypass, that bypass is Maypen. gosh. My gosh, guys. So me I drink some Sorority tea. Some Sorority tea me I drink this morning. Doing better. You mean big up all of the German them on the live this morning, man. Big up all of the German them on the live this morning. Big up all of the German them on the live. Big up all of Germany. Now we might have a little internet issue right in the corner here, guys. So be here with us. Drink some Sorority man, me until I say it's bitter, guys, it's bitter. Yeah, man, drinking some Sorority tea. Real bitters. So I guess that's a scrap iron truck in front of us, you know, guys. So them man, they call it all iron. I don't know. Bring them to the scrap metal area or plant. Because you have several of them still. You have more than one of them. Scrap metal plant of them. Ship out them metal here, them scrap metal here for reuse. Yeah, man. Hey, crazy love, guys. Crazy love for everybody who has subscribed to the channel. Everybody who has stick around and, you know, I watch how I go and listen to some music. Yeah, man, continue. Enjoy the music. Enjoy the sightseeing. Enjoy the vibe. But what I want to do, I want to jump into the chat, man. Jump into the chat and not afraid. Don't afraid. Meet and greet. Chit chat. Drop a suggestion. Drop a shout out. You don't know. Just keep active in the chat, guys. Keep active in the chat. You see what I go on this up? Traffic that again I got into Maypen Town. Glenmuir Road. Traffic there goes on Glenmuir Road into Maypen Town. Yeah, man, so we're there for it. Nappy Morgan. Wonder if we're family. Alright, guys. Big up on the stealth, big up on the stealth. Alright, so we're traveling all the way down to Toll Gate on the old road. May I go as much as I can off the old road today. As I said, normally would I travel on the toll. Would I travel from town from on the toll. But I try to go as much as I can off the old road today. Because it's easy there. So I go as much as I can off the old road. Because I know say the old road is more interesting. Yeah, man, the old road more interesting, so I go as much as I can off the old road. Even though it kind of, you know, kind of bumpy and thing. But yeah, me and going as much as I can afford. Bustamante Highway, aka Maypen Bypass. Yeah, man, big up, big up, big up. All of New York again, man. Big up all of Trelawny as well. Yeah, when I go Trelawny, you know, say a Saturday? No, Friday. Friday, I go Trelawny, you know. Yeah, man, Friday, I go Trelawny, man. Duncan's, Clarkstown, Stewarttown. Yeah. Friday, I there them place there. A piece of rain fall down there. Friday. Yeah, man, but there. Trelawny. Friday gone, man. Open at them parts there. What school name? Stewarttown Primary. And what the next school name? Westwood. Up at Stewarttown there. I go up in a Clarkstown there as well. I'm there on section of Duncan as well. Yeah, man, so as I say, guys, we go everywhere, man. Everywhere in a yard, yeah, man. Every nook and cranny you can think of in Jamaica. Take you guys there. So if you're a Jamaican, you don't know what you want, so I go on a yard. This is the channel to stick to. If you're a Jamaican and you want to know what go on a yard, this is the channel to stick to. So we might see we look new. We might see we look like we're new, but we're not new, guys. This is just a branch off from the other channel. It's a Jamaican Ting TV. So what we wanted to do is just to separate both channels, as I said before. So on It's a Jamaican Ting TV, we're gonna do solely or strictly entertainment. So we're gonna show you everything we're going on yard entertainment wise. And on this channel, Jamaican Things with Dually, we're gonna showcase everything Jamaican in terms of, you don't know, food or culture or music or, you know, beaches, rivers, street food joints, restaurants, stuff like that. Yeah. Our travel vlogs, you don't know, our travel lives, all of that going to be on this channel here. So I know for sure, if we don't want to know Jamaica and a whole in terms of places in Jamaica, this is the channel, because almost every day we're up on the road. Every cribbies and corner. Yeah, that's our next one. Every cribbies and corner. We take you guys there. Every nook and cranny, hills and valleys. We take you guys there. So make sure you guys subscribe and give us your support. Now with the 4 parts. So if you take this right turn here at the intersection, that carries you right into 4 parts down. Yeah, so we're the 4 parts right now in Clarendon. Yeah, man, we basically bypass to the still when I go inside of the town of Fort Parts. So guys, moderator, keep the people them welcome, keep them active. Yeah, a whole bag of people over here start support the channel. Make sure to say you welcome them. You understand? Keep them active, man. Sorry about that. Having a little internet issue. Having a little internet issue, as I told you guys before. The internet will be, you know, up and down in some areas. So with the Osborne store now, guys. The Osborne store right now. Osborne store, Jamaica. Now guys, don't run away, don't jump off and run away from the channel. You don't know, everything will be back to normal after a couple seconds. So whenever you see the glitching at the live and just the internet in some area, don't go anywhere, don't run away. Just stick around for a couple seconds and everything will be back to normal, alright? Now guys, remember, double tap the screen to give us a like if you appreciate the live. Double tap the screen to give us a like. Really appreciate you guys here this morning. So just give me a quick double tap. You know, a quick double tap on the screen, and that's a like for us. If you're not yet a subscriber, make sure you guys hit that subscribe icon. Would really appreciate, love it. So we're in the Osborne store area right now. Yeah man, we're in the Osborne store area right now. We're heading towards Tollgate. Yeah, we're heading towards Tollgate right now. Heading towards Tollgate, Clarendon. So once we reach Tollgate, guys, on the Clarendon Park entrance or exit at the toll, we're gonna jump on the toll, because the internet in Scotts Pass and Porus is really bad. So if we drive through Scotts Pass and Porus, you guys now get to see now. Yeah, the internet in the area, they're really bad, guys. So we're gonna jump on the toll once we reach Tollgate, and then we're gonna come off out of Williamsfield. Yeah man, so we're there, Tollgate, Fireside, one of the best jerk in Jamaica right now, Fireside. Welcome. If you're just joining us, yeah man, Jamaican Things with Dually. We're out here, back to school morning, September morning. So we're at the toll gate right now. We're jump on the toll now, guys. As I said earlier, if we go straight through Scotts Pass and Porus, the internet gonna be an issue. Because Scotts Pass and Porus is kind of like in a little valley, like internet kind of really bad in here. So we are touch the tool now, guys. We are touch the tool. So we're heading towards Williamsfield now, guys. We're now on the toll, entering the toll from toll gate here. Entering the toll from toll gate to heading towards Williamsfield. So we're toll road nice and pretty. Nice and pretty. Now guys, remember as I said before, certain section on our journey the internet might drop, you know, the internet might drop, causing the video quality to get a bit blurry or glitch. I don't want you guys to just jump off the live. I want you guys to stick around, you see me, until you don't know, a couple seconds get back to normal. Yeah man, a couple seconds man, get back to normal. So we're in the Clarendon Park area, but we're up on the toll. Guys, double tap the screen, a quick double tap on your screen to give us a like. Nice mountainside view. A quick double tap on your screen, guys, to give us a like. That is it guys. Quick double tap on your screen to give us a like. Yeah, we are reaching up now on the area now. We're gonna have a internet issue. Yeah, don't go away guys. We're reaching out the area now. We're gonna have an internet issue. Don't leave. Stick around. Yeah man, big up Scotland, man, big up all of Scotland. of Scotland right now. Watching the live. Yeah man, this is Jamaica. Yeah man, big up Rosemary guys, that's my moderator right now. That's Rosemary, one of my moderators. Welcome. If you're just joining us, welcome. Enjoy the music, enjoy the sightseeing, enjoy the vibe. Had a little internet issue just now, as I told you guys before. Some point on our journey we have internet issues. Yes, man. You know what? That's what the thing go, guys. So I want you guys to bear with us whenever you guys see that happening. Nice and beautiful September morning, back to school morning here in Jamaica. Yeah man, so we're heading towards Williamsfield now guys. Look at this beautiful countryside view. Tell me say Jamaican are nice. Tell me say Jamaican are nice. Now guys, if you're just joining us, don't forget to give us that quick double tap on the screen, give us a like. Quick double tap on the screen and give us a like. If you're not yet a subscriber, you don't know, hit that subscribe icon. Why? I know a lot of you guys like to ask, why should I subscribe? No, if you want to know why you should subscribe, let me explain to you now guys. On this channel we showcase authentic Jamaican content. So we not do no prank, we not do no skits, we not do no acting, no put together. Whatever you guys see on this channel, limited or no editing. So everyone else step on the channel our actually is happening. We're real, we're down to earth, we're authentic. You understand? So we basically do lives like these, travel lives like these. We normally just travel vlogs in a certain areas where we know that we can, you know, the internet is bad that we can do travel lives, we do travel vlog in those areas. We do other food vlogs, you know, we visit our beaches. Tongue twister right here, we visit our beaches, our rivers, you don't know, our parks, you don't know, all of them little hot spots that we know so you guys would love to see. You know, visit all of those and we bring them to you guys, bringing them to you. So if you're not a Jamaican and you want to know about Jamaica, this is the channel to stick to. This is the channel to subscribe to. If you're a Jamaican and you don't know, you want to know what going back a yard, you're not inside of Jamaica, this is the channel to stick to. Yeah man. So we're giving you guys authentic Jamaican content over here. No doubt about that. So right now we're up on the South Coast Highway, heading towards Williamsfield. We're heading towards Williamsfield right now. remember Melrose Yam Park. Alright, so we're heading up Melrose now, so we're heading towards the Yam Park. Who remember Melrose Yam Park? We're heading towards Melrose Yam Park right now. Welcome to Jam Rock now. Welcome to Jam Rock now. You can drop something on already, man. You can drop something on already, man. Now guys, don't forget, yeah man, run up in the chat section, guys, run up in the live chat. Meet and greet, chit chat, get to know each other. We know no day up on the road, man. And they just change on the spot. That's what them do. They move from down, that's what them expect everybody to see them, expect them for them. And come just a little bit up. So once you pass that section, you think them are going there. Yeah, go say, alright, then there we are going to speed there now. Oh my god, they're serious. So this is Melrose, guys. See the Yam Park over up on the right. Melrose Yam Park on the right here, guys. Okay, man, that's Melrose Yam Park right there. Welcome. We're always here. So the next town you'll see, the next community you'll see is Williamsfield. Manchester right now. We're in a cool Manchester, Jamaica. Cool Manchester. Everybody watching, we don't know a lot of persons watching out of the US of A, we know a lot of persons watching out of UK, we know a lot of persons watching from Australia, yeah man, a lot of people watching from Australia, we know a lot of persons watching from out of Africa, big up, yeah man, all of them people that watch out of Africa, Kenya. Nigeria. Big up all of the people that watch them out of Scotland. Yeah man, so there. Williamsfield right now, guys. There you Williamsfield right now. Williamsfield. Manchester. So this is the community of Williamsfield, guys. This is the community of Williamsfield. Not a big town. Yeah, Williamsfield is not a big town. Yeah, give me a second, guys. Quick second. Williamsfield in Manchester. Second, guys. Yeah, man, so we're in Williamsfield, guys. Williamsfield, Manchester. Stop. Then we hit the road again, you know. As I said before, I like to do certain things and mobile, you know, so stop. Williamsfield. Quick little stop in Williamsfield, guys. Towards Christiana. Heading towards Christiana. Yeah, no, we'll go over one of the body limit. We'll go over one of the body limit of Christiana in Jamaica right now. Some say body. Yeah, I mean body. Some of them, if you say body, I mean like a joke. I mean body, them hill here take a lot of life. drivers lose control of the vehicle off them hill here and claim a lot of lives. That's how we call it. One of the body hill them, you know. We are called Pennial. Yeah. So we are going Pennial shortly, guys. One of the body hill them in Jamaica, you know. At the hill now, guys. Ascending. Ascending Pennial right now. Ascending Pennial right now, guys. Just pause a bit and I'm gonna see what going on. So up with hill we are going now. This is one of the long, steep hills them in Jamaica, claim a lot of lives. Start here now, guys. Pennial. That hill here a couple miles. Well, yeah man, couple miles well that hill here last. Shaky, you know. in the area here. Passing by a place named Comfortal right now. Guys, long hill we are go over right now. No? Welcome. If you're just joining us, welcome. Heading up Pennial, guys. We're heading up Pennial here in Manchester, Jamaica. Manchester, Jamaica. About very long hill this man, long hill, and this is called long hill. Long hill, I'm not being a long hill yet, and this is called long hill. Yeah, but this is actually Pennial, guys. Longer hill than them here, still Mount Rasta is longer, and Spur Tree Hill is longer. So we reach the top of the hill now. Reach the top of the hill right now. MJ, big up yourself, thanks. Yeah, guys, so the next town you guys will see is Christiana. Yeah, man, we're heading into Christiana now, guys. The next big town you will see is Christiana. Nice and pretty, green, lush, mountainside view, right? Countryside are the best. Countryside are the best. And he even serves in terms of when I'm patch the road, then I patch it level. See, the road kind of a bit bumpy, you know? Nice Jamaican sunshine. Clear skies. Guys, you don't know, don't forget to double tap your screen. Give us a quick double tap if you appreciate the live. Give us a quick double tap on the screen if you like the live. Yeah, man, quick double tap on the screen if you like the live. If you're not yet a part of the family, if you're not yet a subscriber, you don't know, double tap and give us a subscribe. Give us your subscription, it's free. It's free, guys. To subscribe here is free. Traffic into airport, come and see traffic going on Christiana. So it's sad as you know, say September man, back to school man, you know? First me see traffic going in a Christiana town. From so far. Christiana Primary School. Yeah, man, so we're heading into, well, we are basically in Christiana, guys. We're now in Christiana, Manchester, Jamaica. Welcome to Christiana Town, guys. Welcome to Christiana Town. Welcome to Christiana Town. Welcome to Christiana Town, guys. Traffic in a Christiana Town too. Welcome to Christiana Town. Yeah man, welcome. This is Christiana Town. Christiana Town. Welcome to Christiana Town, guys. That's quite a while now, from in the 90s. That's a good while. Yeah man, from in the 90s, man, a good time that man. Over a decade now. Long time in a come yard, man. Long time in a come yard. So you guys were there, Christiana right now. We're in a Christiana right now, guys. Christiana, Jamaica. Back to school morning in a yard, yeah. Back to school morning in Jamaica. Jamaica. No man, this is Christiana. This is Christiana. This is Christiana, Jamaica. This is Christiana, Jamaica. Yeah, man. Give me a second, guys. We're back. Yeah, man, we're back. We're in Christiana. For all of the people that were just joined. Yeah, we're in a Christiana. This is Christiana, Jamaica. This is Christiana in parish of Manchester, Jamaica. This is Christiana in the parish of Manchester, Jamaica. Back to school morning. Yeah, man. So that was Christiana Town, guys. That was Christiana Town. Heading to another section of Christiana now. Stay tuned, you're well tuned in. Yeah, man, we're going to another section of Christiana now. Yeah, man, so this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Once we're up on the road, I'm from the, well, I live in the corporate area. So once it's not, you know, every now and again I do lives in the corporate area as well. But once I'm in the corporate area, I go live. Once I go left out of the corporate area, I go live. And like 3/4 of the days, I'm outside on the road. You understand? So I go live while I'm on the road like this. You understand? 3/4 of the days. I might do it in the mornings when I'm heading to my location, or I might do it in the afternoon when I'm coming back from my location. You understand? So that's the one I'm going to do it. Whether when I'm heading to or when I'm coming back from. So I'm going to give you guys a tour of the town where we leave from, and then get a journey home. Or we'll give you a tour. We'll give you the journey to the town that we're going to, and give you a little tour of the town, make you see what going on the town. Yeah. So that's one aspect of the life that we do. We do other lives where you don't know. So for example, Jamaica, Jamaican cultural event or something like that. A key part, for example, with up on the beach side or whatever, wherever. Once it's Jamaican man and it's authentic and we know no wants to go and go show no go and hit me. So if we don't do it live, if it's not that era we can go live. If the internet is not good in that era we can go live. We do a vlog, we do a video and we post. So you guys can check out our videos as well. So as I said, we're not new to YouTube, but we're like really starting fresh with this channel. Giving you guys what we do best on the other channel, but separating the entertainment aspect of the live and vlog aspect. Yeah man, I know about Christiana, one of my favorite places them for forward, you know. When you come on them place, some house wanna see up on them side of pretty house and thing wanna see up on them side of brother. Boot me down. You know, I'm move off while I go stop in front of me. Yeah, and them place here a farming here, them, you know, guys. Big on farming, especially yam farming. Yeah, them place a big on yam farming, guys. Yes, you're big on yam farming. Crazy taxi, man. Crazy taxi, man. Guys, you know, say this section that we're going to right now, you know, is actually Trelawny, you know. Yeah man, it's actually Trelawny we're going to right now. But you don't know Christiana, section of Christiana. Section of Manchester is bordering to Christian to Trelawny. So we're actually going one section of Trelawny now. brother, when you come on to house, nice quality house. The place here, there, brother. All styles, nice quality houses. See it? Welcome to Trelawny. Trelawny over there. Oh my guys, that's Trelawny over there right now, guys. Trelawny over there right now. Glastonbury. Glastonbury, right there? Glastonbury, straight ahead. Alright. Yeah, well, good. Trolley over in a Trelawny, guys. Yeah man, we're in one of the Yam district them. Realize you guys see a lot of yam stick on the roadside. yams country than we, you know. Yeah man, so guys, thank you guys for, you don't know, supporting the channel. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Yeah man, so we're there guys, we're there. We're there. We 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 there. So this is the face to the name guys. This is the face to the name. The name is Dually. The name is Dually. This is the face to the name. Be open yourselves, everybody will join up on the live. Thank you guys for passing through. Yeah man, we're gonna jump over the live right now. Yeah, but guess what? We're gonna forward back in a couple. Alright, we're gonna forward back in a couple. So look forward for the next live. Until next time, pick up yourself, Johnny. Respect. Until next time. Not too long from now, man. Not too long from now. Pick up yourself. Peace out.